everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm Premium. Anyway, before we get started, in case you were not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is nimnies.com. The link is in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. Please go ahead and hit that like button while you're watching if you like the video. And if you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button. About 60% of my viewers don't subscribe, so please feel free to hit that subscribe button. It costs you absolutely nothing. It's just the click of a button. And if you have any comments while we're going along, please leave those in the comment section down below as well. Anyway, let's go ahead and get in my box. I'm going to be honest, I have already peeked and I'm not sure about this box. Let's just say that. Let's go ahead and open it up. And this box is $35 a month. There is a card in here that's going to fall out. That is what it looks like when you first open it up. I really like the blue, to be honest with you. Blue is my favorite color. And that is what the box looks like. So I do have the card. It did come with a card, and I'm trying to see if it has, this is variation number 23, in case you were wondering. And we're going to go ahead and get into the items. Like I said, I'm not super wild about this box, but we're going to get into it, and I will let you know why I'm not super thrilled about it. Yeah, all right, let's go ahead and get started. I think what I'm going to do is start with my, I don't know. Let's just start with this right here because it is a large product. This is from Kors. It's the Coconut Guava Body Butter, and it smells really good. Hold on one second. It does have a safety seal. Something, I think it is this, but that is what it looks like right there. And this says it's the Kors or Kores, I don't know how to pronounce that correctly, but it's the Kors Body Butter. It says this rich and luxurious body butter deeply softens, smooths, and nourishes the skin. Our Shea Butter Moisturizer is the perfect lotion for dry skin, helping to improve elasticity and smoothness. The MSRP on this is $32. It's a large bottle. It's almost 8 fluid ounces. But I'm not going to open it because it does have a safety seal on it, but that is a decent size body butter. All right, let's pull this out next. This is from Fascia. I'm not sure, and I don't think that's gonna focus because of my lighting. But it's F-A-C-C-I-A. It's the 24K Gold Foil Moisturizer. So let's see what it says. This is the Fascia Skincare 24K Gold Foil Moisturizer. The 24K Gold Foil Moisturizing Cream helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming, tightening, and locking moisture into the skin. And my God, I just saw the MSRP, and I'm going to open this up to see if there's actually gold flakes in here because this says the MSRP is $100. I'll be honest, I have a hard time believing that, but let's see what could possibly be making this be worth $100. If I can get it open, it does not want to open, and I am getting very upset. How long does it take a 40-year-old woman to open a bottle of moisturizer? Okay, so while I'm getting this out, this says, let's see. Oh, I already read this to you, didn't I? Yes, I did. I expected to have more written up about it, to be honest with you. Ooh, look at that. Again, I don't know how well. It's pretty. I'm going to be honest. The packaging on this is very pretty. This is something that I would definitely use as like a backdrop item. I can't say that for very many things, but this is something that I would absolutely put in my background because it is very pretty. And it does actually have gold flakes in it. It has scent though. Oh no. It does have a scent, which is very disappointing. But this is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Okay. That is so pretty. But the lid doesn't fit on it right. I have a slight OCD. Yeah. So the lid not fitting on it right does bother me. Yeah. That is very, very pretty. $100 pretty? I don't think so, but still, it's very, very pretty. All right, let's go back in to this item right here. This is from Sutra Beauty, and it is the adjustable temperature ceramic flat iron with infused magnetic plates. So I don't know if it'll show on camera or if it'll focus enough for you guys to see that right there. But let's read what it says. This is the Sutra Beauty Ceramic Flat Iron. The magnetized ceramic plates deliver consistent heat along the entire length of the plates for silky smooth hair and the finest results. The ceramic flat iron generates negative ions to combat the dryness and frizz created by the positive ions in the air and hair. I don't use flat irons very often, and this will be the third flat iron I have. So this very well might end up in a future giveaway, just because honestly I have a mini flat iron which I got in another BoxyCharm a couple months ago, just a very mini one. Actually, it's right over here, and it's covered in dust because I just don't use it. I've used it once since I got it, but PYT that I got in another BoxyCharm a couple months ago. And then I actually also got the Graveyard Girl kit that she came out with that has a curling iron, a flat iron, and a blow dryer. So this is my third flat iron. And I just don't flat iron my hair very often because honestly it just takes me so long. My hair is actually pretty long. It's not as long as it was just a couple months ago. I got like 6 inches cut off of my hair in November. Anyway, MSRP is $79.99. I don't know if I said that. $80. So literally $100, $80, and then the lotion was $32. So what are we up to? 210, right? 212. I paid $35 for this. So I wasn't super excited about it, but as I get into it and I see the items, you know. All right, this is from Tarte. This is the Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I think I got this already. Did I get this already? I think I might have already gotten this. No, I got the spray. They sent out, I'm not sure if it was BoxyCharm or another beauty box, sent out the setting spray that came with these. Hold on. Yeah, I got the Tarte Stay Spray last month, I think. But anyway, this is the Face Tape Hydrating Primer. So I'm definitely going to give that a try. I like the foundation that came out the same, the Face Tape foundation. I actually do like that. I did a foundation review on that recently, and I did enjoy it. So this is the Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Prep yourself before you perfect yourself. Turn up the base with this vegan coconut priming serum that hydrates your skin for 12 hours. This rich yet lightweight makeup magnet is infused with a blend of coconut and botanicals to help nourish and smooth skin's appearance. The MSRP on this is $30. So, all right. Let's go ahead and pull this out right here. This is from Glow Recipe, and it is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This is what it looks like. I'm looking for my scissors so I can get it open. Okay. So again, this is from Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I'm going to be spraying this on my face today. Even though I did already set my face already, I'm going to do it again because I can. So this is immerse your skin into a hydrating mist so ultra fine and delicate. Whoa, that is unexpected. It envelops your skin like a dreamy morning fog. This formula is packed with a juicy blend of 84% watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus AHAs to refresh skin and enhance makeup. I guess you sit it like this, right? Okay, this is different. Ooh, that smells good. That smells amazing. Of course, I just use like a good little bit of it. Anyway, it feels really nice on the skin. This is the Glow Recipe. Did I already read that? Yes, I did. MSRP is $28. I don't think I said that, but that I really like that. But I did use like a good bit of it. but I really like it. That's nice. I might have to buy some of that once I use that up. I really like that a lot. All right, the last item here, which is probably the thing that I'm most excited about, because I actually have a Hourglass blush, bronzer, and highlighter on my face today. This is from Hourglass. It's the Ambient Lighting Blush, and this is in the shade Diffused Heat. Okay. And that is what it looks like. If you're not familiar with Hourglass products, they always come marbled, and you just have to like swirl your brush in it. I'm going to actually just put my finger in it, and it's just actually a really nice baby pink when you put it all together. That looks like you can't really see it on my hand, but my guess is that it is buildable, and it will probably build fairly nicely on my cheeks. So let's see what this says. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. Discover a new way to blush. This groundbreaking hybrid combines the customized lighting effects of ambient lighting powder with a spectrum of breathtakingly modern hues. The result is seamless, soft focus, and multi-dimensional color. So like I said, this is probably the thing I'm most excited about. Now that I've actually sprayed this, I'm really excited about this as well. And then the primer, this is just an absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. I don't even know that I'm going to use the moisturizer. I might just set this up somewhere as like a discussion piece or something, because it is just beautiful. Or I might use up the product and then use it in the background. Depends on how it works on my skin. Sometimes I've had at least one moisturizer not agree with me at all. The Korres Coconut Guava Body Butter. It smells really nice. I'm going to actually go ahead and open this. I don't normally open lotions, but this just smells amazing. And I'm going to go ahead and put some. I've been using hand lotion rather than like a body butter on my hands recently, but I'm curious about this. So we're going to just get a little bit on my hand and see how it goes. And then the thing that I'm probably least excited about is the flat iron, but that's only because I already have two other ones and I just hardly ever use them. I'm sure if you guys use flat irons, this might be amazing for you. This does smell pretty good. It does smell pretty good. All right, that is my BoxyCharm Premium for February 2020. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. When I first opened this and looked inside, I was kind of disappointed. And now that I've actually gotten everything out of the box and really gotten a chance to take a look at it, I'm actually a lot more pleased than what I was initially. Like I said, this was $35 and I feel like I got way more than $35 worth of products. I'm really loving that watermelon spray, and just the blush alone is $40, and that alone actually pays for the box. So anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would love to hear what you all have to think about this box. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, thumbs up if you liked it. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it, probably more than you know. And comments down in the comment section. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you on the next epic beauty fail. Bye guys.